Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter about tablet. It should appear at the very top of this list, and now we have to find the build number, because it will allow us to open the mode, the section in which we will find proper options. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, then enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and as you can see right now we are a developer. So here we have to go back to the system settings and scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got the developer options. So let's enter, and here let's scroll down to find the automatic system updates option, which is, as you can see in my case, turned off. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which simply means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really need to do anything manually, just restart your device. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.